All right, guys, today is Friday, and because it's Friday, that means we are here at the Fox13 studios getting ready to go on live to introduce Bob. Bob is a 2-month-old Border Collie mix. He is a shelter transfer from shelter in Elko, Nevada. They just arrived, because Bob has some siblings, just arrived yesterday from Elko. And, Border Collies typically live anywhere from about 10 to 17 years, on average about 12. Bob here is only 2 months old, so he's got a lot of life left. And they typically will grow anywhere from about 25 to 45 pounds. So if you guys are looking to adopt, let me put Bob here on the sofa and switch the camera around. If you guys are looking to adopt a cute little puppy, there are, I think, 3 left over at this Humane Society. So definitely come check them out and introduce yourselves to Bob and his siblings and maybe adopt one of them. All right, guys, thanks for watching.